Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. So here we are taking the trade based on the price action concepts. So this market is a GBP USD market, which is a real market. Okay, now here I am taking a downward direction trade for the period of 2 minutes. Why I traded for the downward direction for the 2 minutes? Because the market is a downtrend. So just connect the reversal point. You can easily understand the resistance trend line. When you observe the resistance trend line, the market is moving in a downward direction with the help of a lower highs and lower lows. Okay, at this point this is a previous lower high level, and the market, when the market reaches this last lower low level, it again moving towards the downward direction trend. So I'm expecting same will happen, and for the 2 minutes it will move downward direction. Okay, let's go for the GBP USD. So GBP USD, yes, you can also. I'm expecting a 3 minutes was a downward direction trade, because the market is in the form of a lower highs and no higher highs and no higher lows, no lower highs and lower lows, which means it is in the form of a higher highs and higher lows. So it is a sign of a ranging market. So in this ranging market, we can expect a 3 minutes down, buyers 3 minutes, sellers 3 minutes. So I predicted for the downward direction for the period of 3 minutes. Okay, this is our second trade based on the support and resistance. Last video also I uploaded the support and resistance. You can watch in my YouTube channel. If you have more doubts in the price action, you can just comment in my comment box, then I will reply. Or if you have more doubts, you can contact me through my telegram. My telegram ID is link in my description, this video description. Let us check the another Euro USD OTC. So this is a running market where we are traded here. Okay, so these are the two trades which we are placed here. Now let's back to the Euro USD, which is also a real market. So first one is a win. 2 minutes trade is our winning trade. Yes, here I am trading for a call option for a period of a 4 minute expiration. So why I'm using the long term expiration? Because if you are a beginner in the price action trade, you have to must not use the long term trading, which means 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, in this way. Okay, while you, when you use this type of long expiration time, you will get some experience. After getting experience, you can trade for the 1 minute trades also. And also comparing to the 1 minute trades, long term expiration use up more results than comparing to the 1 minute trade. Okay, so I traded for the 4 minutes towards a call option. So let us take another chart. Can use any chart, but must and should use only the currency pair, if even though if it is the OTC market or the real market. Do not trade this compounding index, crypto index, or the stock markets, anything. Okay, just use the currency pairs. Okay, let's check if there is a real pairs. Yes, Euro AUD is a real pair. GBP CAD, Euro JPY. Let's go with Euro JPY. So what are the conditions of these trades? This is our winning trade. Still this is a running. So GBP USD is our winning, moving towards a winning trade. Okay, just for a minor we got a loss here. So I'm again taking a downward direction trade towards a sell option. Euro JPY. Let's back to the Euro JPY. And what about the other trades? Still there are running. Yes, I'm taking a call option for the 5 minutes. Why I take the 5 minutes call option trade? Just observe here. This is our trend line. So the market is moving in upward direction with the help of higher highs and higher lows. So in this way, so it will try to reach up to this area. So these are the main resistance lines. So I'm trading for a call option here. Okay, so this is a best uptrend with the help of a 5 minutes expiration. It will use more results. So let's check our trades. Euro USD. Euro USD. What is the running position of the Euro USD? I think it is a Euro USD OTC. So this is our winning trade. Still 44 seconds left. So these are the more useful methods you can use for the long term expiration. If you are a beginner, I sincerely suggest you to take only long expiration. Do not try with 1 minute expiration as a beginner. Okay, so INR Euro USD. So I think it may be face loss here. This is our loss. If it is a loss, then just go with 2 minutes towards a call option again, and it will be definitely a winning trade. So I'm taking a win to again martingale for the upward direction. GBP USD. Let's check the what is the position of the GBP USD. Okay, you can observe how the market is moving downward direction. So what is the reason? The reason is simple. The resistance line. The market is moving in a support resistance area. That's why I traded for the downward direction trade. So both are GBP USD and the Euro JPY. Let's check the Euro JPY. What is the condition of the Euro JPY market? Yes, here also the market is moving upward direction. What is the reason? The reason is simple. Due to the trend line, it moving upward direction. And next thing, Euro USD. Euro USD trade. I think this one. So there will be a minor differences between this trade. I'm 100% sure it will be a winning trade because you can observe the candle. This is a previous higher highs and higher lows, and this is also higher highs and higher lows. So most possibility this will be a winning trade, and I'm expecting it will be close above this two call option which I placed here. So another is a winning trade. See how the market is jumping towards upward direction. What is the reason? Higher highs and higher lows between the two candles. So in this way you can learn the price action trades. If you have more doubts, you can comment in my comment box, or if you have more further doubts, you can contact through my Telegram ID. If you want to learn price action, you can also learn the price action through my online classes. Okay, and if you want to create a Olam Trade account link is in my video description. So this is our last trade. 45 seconds left. Let's check Euro JPY. See how the market is moving upward direction. So you can observe how the market gives a profitable trades when you take more than long expiration. Okay, still 21 seconds left. Okay, so these are our winning trades. So if you have more doubts, you can comment my comment box. Thank you.